Hey, what's up, YouTube family? How's everybody doing today? We are back from our little break from YouTube due to some things that YouTube consider not good for YouTube. So, with us being back, what we're going to do today is we are going to sell the Ultra Limited, Harley Davidson Ultra Limited that we put together on the channel. And now we have someone coming out to take a look at the bike and hopefully we'll get it sold so that we can move on to bigger and better things to bring to the channel. Maybe the Riker, maybe a Harley Davidson Road King, but we shall see. But hang around, let's go for this ride, wait for the possible new purchaser to come and check out the bike. All right, stick along, y'all. Let's see what's happening.
This had a crack on it. What I decided to do is I changed it. Yeah, this is the color right here. It's called graphite gray. I just took off this. I started a YouTube channel about a year ago. So on my channel, what I wanted to do was called All Star Cycles and Cars. So I love cars and cycles. So my thing was to get the bike, put the bike back together, and then just get rid of the bike, get another bike, put the bike back together, and do the same thing. What I'll probably start doing is just like raffle. Now that's for the rear. Oh, so if you get a helmet, you can plug that into here or talk to the person in the back. And it's also here. See these two knobs? That's to turn the music up and down and turn the channel. But that right there, that's for if you had a wireless. Wireless to the back. Person in the front.
Hi, Alpha. Right, man. Oh, man.
He's not going to talk to me. He's going to be too busy.
Oh, we're going to be talking. We're going to be talking. What's this here?
That's for the person in the back.
That you can put a... Look at her. You put
my attention with that one. Like, hold up.
Yeah. Katie don't know what she's like this.
Listen, okay. This is
Tell
my
me the
thing.
story. Tell me the story.
I have a fear of motorcycles because when I was a kid, right, they had one kind of like that, but with two seats.
Mm-hmm.
And the person didn't instruct me on how to get on it.
Oh.
And I burnt the whole front of my leg. So now I'm like, listen, I'm never going to ride on those. If you get the back seat, I'll ride with you.
That's the thing.
Let me sit on it. Let me sit on it.
Exactly what I told her. If you get the back seat,
If I
I'll
sit
ride
on it,
with
it's
you.
going to be a problem.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
Heavy bike.
My brother's like,
Make sure you can put
make
your
sure
foot
you
down.
sit on it. You know, that's not a, I said, dude, it's not a small bike. I get it. This is not to be playing around.
Yeah, ain't no joke, that's for sure.
Clutch over here.
That's the front ring.
Yeah, this brake over here. And you got what foot brake right there. That's the brake. And over here you got the pedal. You got the clutch. I guess one down is first, and then you come up half, and it's neutral, and then
You keep coming up.
and you.
Now I got the heel toe.
Okay, the heel
So-
told me you can hit the instead of coming up with your foot, you can go down.
Just go boom. That's the one down.
Yeah.
Boom. 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 You just keep hitting the back. So you ain't got to be worrying about trying to get your foot up under here to pull up. You ride any dirt bikes lately or anything like that?
I haven't ridden nothing.
What?
Well, my brother had a bike. He had a Suzuki like the one you got there, and I rode that. But it wasn't as big as yours.
Well, duh.
He got a 650. That looks like a 1112.
That's an 18.
Damn, you
And I had that set. That's a 2008.
you don't
I had
play
that
no
since
games.
2008.
You don't play no games. 1800. And what?
A few moments later.
You didn't lock that?
No, I didn't lock it. No. I took the key. Now, see, once you got the key, you're gonna be okay anyway.
Excuse me, sir. Can I have the other key to the car?
It's in the ignition.
Okay. all I
Now,
need to know.
how do I put my?
GPS?
You know what? Put this. Put this on here too. My wallet.
Okay.
I like this little.
He wants to know how to connect his Bluetooth.
Oh, okay.
And don't you need your wires?
Let me see.
Okay.
Well, you got that. Just want to make sure you lock that back when you go in there.
How do I?
You gotta turn the vehicle on first.
No, you put it in the on position.
You got it right in there.
So,
The convenience from banks and locations they know.
okay, so
So hit your put your foot on your, lean it to this. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. See this arrow?
Yeah.
That means turning it on. This right here is off.
Okay.
So hit that. That's powering it up. Now you hit the squiggly.
Oh, now you
Now you hit this
Yeah.
one.
I
Oh,
was
this is.
close, see?
Oh, now you should, when you got your phone is in there,
Yeah.
it ain't gonna close, but probably got a longer phone. Yeah. He turning around. You practicing a little bit. Trying to get it back in neutral. There you go. He got it. He gonna be all right. Coming down this way. Bike is gone, y'all. Yeah, we gotta go ahead and get our find us a Riker. Put that Riker together. Yep, he's getting acclimated.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
Baby is gone. Angel is gone on my baby. All right, y'all. Today is a bittersweet day, man. We got rid of the bike, man. We sold the bike. We got rid of the Harley Davidson Ultra Limited that we took our time putting together, made it beautiful again. So now we got to look for something else to bring to the channel, to put together, spend some time together, picking out parts and different things like that. Again, we pretty much do it for the joy. We don't do it. If you make some money at the end, it's fine. If you don't, that's fine as well, because we do it for the joy. All right. So what we're going to probably seek to find is, I'm gonna say the Riker. If we could find a Riker Rally, we may do that. That one might be the next move. Other than that, we talked about doing the Harley Davidson Road King. We may do a Road King. Yeah, we might do a Road King. All right.
So my man Angel, he came and got the bike. Cool dude. We gonna link up. We gonna do some riding together. Y'all gonna see him on the channel while we riding. And thanks for hanging out for this little short video. Just wanted to let y'all know that the bike is gone and we're on our way to finding something else. All right, holla later. Peace.
One eternity later.
This blue and white one. This is that sand color. 34,000. This two-tone color. This a new one. 23. 36,000. I want to see the 2024s. That color nice. Look like a creamsicle.
Bitch.
Mm-hmm.
What's the setback?
32.
That's 45
Out the door.
with
That color nice too. It's like a bluish gray. What do they call this? That Atlas silver. Crazy, man. Road King. 28. How about that one, right?
Look at that.
This is the shifter to put it in gear. Let's see this kickstand.
That means that we're not ever coming down from this. We're not ever coming down.
Dang, I like this bike. Dang. Throttle. Horn. You see the little horn button? And the throttle.
Look at this.
Heritage soft tail, you know. CVO, that's the monster right there, the CVO. Road Glide. Now, oh, do you have the 2024 in? I mean, Harley Davidson 2024.
You mean the CVOs?
Yeah, the CVO.
They're still 23s. We don't have any on the.
Because that's the one.
Yes, they changed quite a few things on that motorcycle.
Yeah. You saw one. Y'all had it here before?
Yeah, we had a Road Glide and a Street Glide.
Yeah,
Seen
they
them.
went just like that.
The bags are a little more bowed out. The suspension's inverted. The heads are cool. The radio, it's 12.5 inch screen.
What's that, like a 120? What is the engine?
121.
121, yeah.
Yep, variable valve.
Wow.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, we're getting them in. They're trickling in.
Trickling in. Yep.
Right now.
What's the numbers on that?
To go for the platinum, it's 45,500 for that color. That's before tax and title. If you go with the whiskey neat, it's another 6,000 for the color on top.
Wow.
Okay, so it's a price.
But that
bike,
color
but
is
it's
nice,
new.
right?
It's absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah. Thanks, man. All right. Trying to see if they have any electric ones. Oh, there you go. That's it. The live wire. Here it go, right here. Wow. That's 2 live wire. They claim $15,499. That's what they sold. It'd be like 21, 22 coming out the door. Wow, look at this. Cervicar. Servy car.
Caught in the crossfire. See your war face.